पहला सवाल, अगला सवाल, नेक्स्ट वन। ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप लोग को फाइनेंस मार्केटिंग के बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें पता है।
हाँ, क्योंकि एमबीए
Yes.
फाइनेंस में यही सिखाते हैं।
The next round is a little long. I will give you a small essay.
Why did you write an essay? Did you run somebody over with a car?
Old Monk. It's a great company.
Yes, I like the pause.
What can I say about it without
without-
breaking into a ghazal?
And Adani Group was the conglomerate. Conglomerate.
Or Old Monk P. Or Old Monk P. Or Old Monk P.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अ न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ व्हाट द बक। व्हाट द बक एक ऐसा गेम शो है जहाँ हम अलग अलग लोगों को फाइनेंस, बिजनेस, मार्केटिंग के क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे। आज मेरे साथ है आशीष शाक्य और रोहन जोशी। ये है यूट्यूब के नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग।
जी हाँ, और फाइनेंस के दुनिया के भी।
ये इन्होंने यूट्यूब में हम सबको पहली बार एंटरटेन किया था। वेलकम गाइस, वेलकम। इट्स एन एब्सोल्यूट प्लेजर
Thank
टू हैव यू गाइस। हाउ इज इट गोइंग?
Good, good. Finance, I like the introduction. Finance के हम वो challenger crew है जो फट गया था ना।
हाँ। फाइनेंस के बोइंग स्टार लाइनर।
I know that you guys have been working and earning money since a long time. Let's see उसको कैसे आपने implement किया है। ठीक है?
Okay then.
गेम
Cool.
में है 5 राउंड दोस्तों, ठीक है? पहला राउंड एक घंटी राउंड। इसमें
Okay.
मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा। Whoever rings the घंटी first gets to answer.
Okay.
If you answer right, you get 10 points.
Okay.
ठीक है? If he doesn't answer and if you ring the घंटी and answer, you get 5 points.
Okay.
इस राउंड में कोई भी नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स नहीं है। परफेक्ट। पहला सवाल, यू हैव टू गेस द सेलिब्रिटी फ्रॉम देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स। ठीक है?
Wow.
गोट, शुगर, बोल्ड केयर। आशीष,
Yeah, Ranveer Singh.
इज दैट योर फाइनल आंसर?
Yeah.
दैट इज करेक्ट,
Oh.
दैट इज करेक्ट। ठीक है, रणवीर सिंह इन्वेस्टेड इन बोट एंड बोल्ड केयर दिस ईयर एंड ही हैड पुट मनी इन शुगर बैक इन 2022।
वाह,
बहुत ही सही, 10 पॉइंट। बहुत ही सही।
So good,
क्वेश्चन
so
खत्म
good.
होने से पहले ही आपने घंटी बजा दी। अगला सवाल, which out of these is the only Indian ice cream company to be listed on the stock exchange? Havmor, Vadilal, Quality Walls.
Does it have more?
Is that your final
It
answer?
is my final answer.
Havmor is not listed on the stock
Damn
exchange.
it.
Vadilal Industries is the only
Ah.
Indian ice cream company to be listed on the stock exchange. It was founded more than 100 years back in
Wow.
1907, and they are the second biggest player in the organized ice cream market.
What is a disorganized ice cream sector?
Milkshake.
अच्छा। वो 2 रुपए वाला चुस्की।
गल गया आइसक्रीम जो आइसक्रीम
वो
ले रहा।
dysentery
Exactly.
flavor वाला।
Exactly. काला खट्टा with side of cholera.
Yeah, yeah.
That is.
Cholera खट्टा।
Next question. What are we talking about? Rohan,
निर्मा.
can you please
सबकी
explain?
पसंद निर्मा. It is हेमा, रेखा, जया और सुषमा। सबकी पसंद निर्मा.
करेक्ट आंसर, करेक्ट आंसर। ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप लोग को फाइनेंस मार्केटिंग के बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें पता है।
हाँ, क्योंकि एमबीए
Yes.
फाइनेंस में यही सिखाते हैं। चार 3
I
हीरोइन
was
का
going to say,
फोटो।
मेरे को कपड़े धोने के बारे में बहुत पता है।
मैंने कैट दिया था, सेम क्वेश्चन कैट में था। Is that showing Flintstone का कार्टून में
Yeah.
आपको हिस्ट्री के बारे में बहुत पता है।
अगला क्वेश्चन, which of these business groups runs the following in India?
Okay.
Kinley, Schweppes, Minute Maid. Ashish,
कोका-कोला है।
that is correct. That
Yes.
is correct. 10 points. We are now towards the end of this round. सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन बचा है.
Okay.
Can we have the last question of this round, please? Which of these assets is taxed the least if you sell it after 1 year? Physical gold or equity mutual funds? These are the two options. Physical gold or equity mutual funds. Which?
Me?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it gold?
Can you please help me with the numbers, taxation numbers?
Yes, Ashish, help him with the taxation numbers.
In case you didn't get it from my easy gold Paplusa weak answer, that I don't know the number.
Can you help me with the numbers? Ki if you sold gold after a year,
Yes.
how much tax do you have to pay on the gains?
Okay.
और अगर आप स्टॉक्स बेचोगे 1 साल बाद तो कितना गेन पे टैक्स देना पड़ेगा?
स्टॉक्स पे 12%, ठीक है, और गोल्ड पे 5%.
You are right. Stocks में 12.5% है. लेकिन if you sell gold before 2 years, then you have to pay tax on the profits as per your income tax slab. So in your case, it's 30%, and that's why equity mutual funds is the correct answer.
I also got distracted because it says equity MFs, and I was imagining
Equity MFs.
equity motherfuckers.
Goddamn equity MFs, man.
That should be your next IP. Fucking do a rap song.
Yeah, equity
form a
MFs.
band.
That brings us to the end of the round. और first round के बाद, Rohan,
Mm-hmm.
you are currently in the second position. You are with 10 points, and you got 20 points in the round. ठीक है, but अगला जो round है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा exciting है. This is the anagram round. ठीक है. I will give you 10 different anagrams.
Okay.
पहले से कैटेगरी बता दूंगा कि ये business figure है, ये investment term है, ये कुछ और term है, and you guys have to guess.
Okay.
For every right anagram, you get 10 points.
Okay.
And whoever rings the ghanti first gets to answer.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
If you ring the ghanti after,
Huh?
you get 5 points
Okay.
for a correct answer.
And no negative.
No negative. This is not JE. ठीक है? Till now. पहला anagram. This is an Indian company. Indian company.
Can you give a more hint? Sector?
Home improvement.
Nerolac.
Correct answer!
Ah!
Correct answer! Agla anagram. This is an investment term. Ashish.
Dividend.
Correct answer!
Arre.
Correct answer! This is an economic term. Ashish.
Recession.
Correct answer! Correct answer! This is a business figure. Rohan.
Shivnadar.
Correct answer! Let's go! Finally खाता खुल गया. अगला. This is an Indian business figure. Or an Indian figure.
Lalit Modi.
Correct answer! Correct answer! This is an investment term. Rohan.
Recurring deposit.
Correct answer! Have you ever put your money in a recurring deposit?
I, never like to do anything more than once. So.
मैंने एक बार डाल
एक बार डाल दिया, भूल गया. ना किसी से मोहब्बत, ना किसी से फाइट. 8 बजे डिनर, 10 बजे गुड नाइट.
Next anagram. This is an Indian company. Rohan.
Parle G.
Correct answer. Correct answer. This is an Indian figure. Ashish.
Vijay Mallya.
Correct answer. I didn't say Indian business figure. I just said Indian figure.
Indian figure.
ठीक है. Next, this is a company. एक बहुत ही बड़ी company.
Decathlon?
Correct answer. Correct answer. Do you know Decathlon does more sales in India than Nike, Puma,
I'm not surprised.
or Reebok?
I'm not
What?
surprised.
Really?
Yes,
Not
sir.
payment, but that Quechua backpack for 400 rupees goes everywhere and is amazing. It's
And
too
the
good.
best part is, you go to buy that 400 rupee bag, but
And you come
somehow
out
your
with
bill
8
is
other things.
5,000 rupees.
Exactly.
I feel like if I go into a sports store in general, it's that same supermarket wala funda. You go in,
Yes.
you walk through all of that. I want a cricket bag.
100%.
I don't want to
Same.
play, but
exactly.
it's cool.
Supermarket
Yeah,
is a great
yeah.
analogy because it's exactly the same. I
Yeah.
buy 100 things, but do I enter the kitchen and cook? No,
No,
sir. I do not.
Never.
I do not.
Perfect. And now we are towards the last anagram of this round. This is a major event. Rohan.
Demonetization.
That is correct. That is correct. 10 points. Guys, I'm very curious. What were you guys doing at 8 p.m. on 8th of November?
You know what? I was not in the country. So
You are
I came
you are
back.
one lucky guy.
I was not in the country. No, I came back and I couldn't pay for anything.
I
Wow.
just left office. So you know that there was an ATM at the gate.
Huh.
And people had started lining up. I left just after 8. I hadn't paying attention. I was like, why are they lining up? What's happening? Hoga kuch.
Huh?
I don't think it will affect me. Hoga kuch. And after that, then we wrote a sketch about it.
Yes.
I have seen that. I have seen that.
बैंकर लोग का अच्छा है हाँ? आराम से अंदर बैठो और नोट चेंज करो.
ये नेता लोगों का अच्छा है यार, आराम से अंदर बैठो, रूल चेंज करो.
ये गरीबों का अच्छा है यार, आराम से घर पे बैठो क्योंकि 500 और 1000 के तो नोट ही नहीं है.
ये अमीरों का तो अच्छा है, अमीर है.
Guys, इस राउंड में आप दोनों ने 5-5 answers दिए.
too good.
Okay. So the difference is still the same. You are
Amazing.
now at 70
Okay.
and Rohan, you are at 60 points. ठीक है? The next round is a little long. It's called the puzzle round.
Okay.
I will give you a small essay, okay, a vignette, and you have to identify X and Y.
Why did you
Yes,
run an
and
essay? Did you run somebody over with a car?
कोई घंटी बजाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay.
We'll go one by one.
Okay.
Okay.
Outstanding.
Rohan, we'll start with you.
Okay.
Let's have the first puzzle, please. X is commonly misconceived by many to be a high-end European brand owing to its complicated name, when in reality it was started by a husband-wife duo, Ruben and Rose Matters in New York State in 1959. The founders revealed that the name was a conscious decision to attract the middle-class American customer to increase their sales. The name in reality has no meaning and is made using made-up words that sound Danish. You have to identify X. A very common strategy, even used in India, especially for clothing brands.
You know this, dude.
Every time you hear that name, you are like कि हाँ ये brand पे 400-500 रुपए खर्च करने में बुरा नहीं लगेगा.
Acha.
And that's what they were aiming for.
Got it.
You have 5 seconds.
Pass.
ठीक है.
Blank
What
check.
we'll do is we'll pass on to you, and if you are able to answer, you get 5 points.
This is Haagen-Dazs.
Oh shit! I really feel stupid.
That is
I eat
correct.
so much Haagen-Dazs.
That is
full
correct.
of Haagen-Dazs.
I
dude.
eat so much Haagen-Dazs. That's horrible.
That's crazy.
But that's great. Now you have
That's
learned
great.
a new
Now
thing.
I've learned a new thing.
Right? And
So-
अब शायद you might go and bargain with the person कि ये
100%.
Danish नहीं है, ये
I'll be like,
American
हाँ,
ही है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
हाँ, सीधा मस्त quality walls के रेट पे दे दे मेरे को.
So apparently there's a theory, I don't know if it's true or not, but I've read a theory about this, that the reason they also picked Danish or whatever is because after the war they wanted to kind of express their gratitude in some manner or form to the Scandinavians or to that part of the world, because in the war I think they had helped out. There was some connection with the war
really?
for sure.
Interesting.
Yeah. Because
That's cool.
or maybe in the war they had kind of proven themselves to be like a good country and all of that. So
Oh.
there was that little element of which word should we go and which. So it has
Okay.
umlaut and all of that, right?
Next puzzle. X's origins go back to colonial India and a brewery founded by Sir Edward Dyer. This brewery launched India's first beer, which was in great demand by the thirsty British administrators and troops stationed in the sweltering heat of India. In 1930s, the brewery was acquired by H.G. Macon and came to be known as Dyer Macon Breweries. 2 years after the independence in 1949, the company was acquired by Narendra Nath Mohan and was renamed Mohan Macon Breweries for good. In 1954, Mohan's son Ved Ratan Mohan, a retired Indian army, took over the company and launched X, the company's star product. You have to identify X.
Old monk.
Old
ये
Monk,
famous
that
है.
is
ये
correct.
बहुत
That is
famous है.
correct. Old Monk. It's a great company.
Yes, I like the pause. I like the pause. It's a,
What can I say about it without
without-
breaking into a ghazal?
yes, exactly. What can I say about it without getting demonetized by YouTube?
I think he said old monk and then he paused because उसको अपनी ex की याद आ गई कि
Like,
यार,
that's why he said
जाने वो
identify X.
कैसे।
But crazy answer. You get 10 points for this. Let's move on to the next one. Rohan, this is for you. In 2017, an American financial research firm was born out of a desire to uncover corporate wrongdoings that were flying under the radar of traditional market analysts. This firm, named after the infamous disaster of 1937, sought to expose companies with questionable financial practices, much like how the airship's catastrophic explosion highlighted the flaws in its design. The firm, inspired by this metaphor, adopted the name X, symbolizing its mission to expose the ticking time bombs hidden within certain businesses. In early 2023, the firm released one of its most significant reports focusing on a conglomerate that had
Or old monk P. Or old monk P. Or old monk P.
that had skyrocketed to global prominence in just a few years. This report raised concerns about wise financial practices alleging inflated valuations and opaque corporate governance. You have to identify X and Y.
Hindenburg and Adani.
Why do you say so?
Because, I mean, the question asks me to.
That is correct. Hindenburg Research is the right answer, and Adani Group was the conglomerate.
Conglomerate!
Which went down by 80% after the report was released in early 2023. This is how the graph looked like after the report went up. 3,000 से सीधा 1,200 रुपए में गिरा है अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस का शेयर. Do you guys invest in companies? Do you invest in stocks, mutual funds?
Exited his investment in Old Monk.
Severely.
And are you like getting rich dividends out of that exit?
Out of exiting Old Bank, for sure. Fewer drunk calls to Axis, for sure.
So fewer bad investments is
Fewer
what
bad
I'm hearing.
investments. Fewer bad investments.
This is the last question of this round. Ashish, your turn. In the 1980s, X was founded as a joint venture between a prominent Indian conglomerate and a state entity, aiming to innovate a traditionally unorganized industry. By the late 1990s, X launched Y, a brand that transformed the market with a focus on trust and craftsmanship. Y became a trusted household name in India, blending traditional values with modern design, making it a key player in the Indian wedding market. Around this time, legendary investor Z recognized X's potential, and his investments proved visionary as the company expanded into lifestyle products. As of September 2024, Z's family holds nearly 5% of X's shares, amounting to an investment of close to 17,000 crores. You have to identify X, Y, and Z.
5% of X is valued at 17,000 CR, is what you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow, this is a very big company then. 5%.
This is one of the biggest lifestyle companies of India. इंडिया में कहीं भी जाओ ये कंपनी है प्रेजेंट. हम सबके घर में ये प्रोडक्ट आया है, कोई ना कोई फॉर्म में, कोई ना कोई शेप में.
And it's everywhere in India, you said, no? Like, you can find. Is the brand, very silly answer, not sure. Is the brand Neel Kamal? Why?
Why?
Huh.
No. Rohan, if you want to guess, you can.
Okay. Oh. I'm like really tir maroing. Okay. Is Z Rakesh Jhunjhunwala? Is X Titan? And Y is it Tanishq?
Correct answer!
That was my next guess. I'm
Yes!
not kidding.
Answer!
Yes!
Correct answer!
Not even
Yes!
kidding. That was my next
Yes!
guess.
Titan was founded by Tata Group and TIDCO, which is Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation. It was a joint venture to make watches and organize. They wanted to bring out an organized company from the watch market, but in the late 1990s, they launched Tanishq.
Yep.
And as of today, more than 80% of Titan's revenue comes from Tanishq. Z's family currently holds nearly 5% because Rakesh
That's
Jhunjhunwala
insane.
passed away
Yeah.
recently.
No, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala I would not have gotten, but Tanishq jewelry was my other.
That's a great guess. That's a great guess, and you get 5 points for this question. At the end of this round, Rohan, you are now at 75 points, and Ashish, you are at 85 points. Okay. ये
I
round.
trail by 1 ghanti.
Yes, sir. Yes.
1 ghanti short.
ये राउंड थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था,
Hmm.
तो अब थोड़ा माहौल लाइट करते हैं.
ओहो.
ओके. अगला राउंड बहुत ही सिंपल है. मैं एक एक करके आप लोगों को आइटम दिखाऊंगा, प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाऊंगा, ठीक है? एंड यू गाइस हैव टू राइट डाउन द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट.
Okay then.
Oh no.
Okay then.
ठीक है? जिसका भी प्राइस एमआरपी से क्लोज है,
Close
10
under or
points.
close over? Both is fine.
क्लोज,
Close. Closest. Got it.
गाइस आप दोनों के ड्रॉर्स में पेपर और पेन है, ठीक है? एक एक करके मैं आपके सामने एक प्रोडक्ट दिखाऊंगा. यू गाइस हैव टू राइट द बेस्ट एस्टिमेट. एमआरपी गाइस.
Okay.
Amazon सेल का प्राइस नहीं, दिवाली सेल का प्राइस नहीं, मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस विल बी टेकन इनटू कंसीडरेशन.
Okay.
आर वी रेडी?
Born
है?
ready.
चलो सबसे पहला प्रोडक्ट. सबसे पहला प्रोडक्ट 1 किलो प्याज, महाराष्ट्र रिटेल प्राइस और मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस. Have you guys written your answers?
Yes.
Yeah.
Rohan, what's your answer?
89 rupees.
89 rupees. That's very accurate. 89.
Yeah, I mean,
Have you recently purchased
yes.
onion?
I have.
What about you?
25?
25. Okay. Do you buy your groceries?
Yeah, I mostly buy them online. So I'm remembering a figure from there. I don't know if it's MRP or not or what.
We purchased it today. ठीक है. और आज के दिन मुंबई में 1 किलो प्याज का प्राइस है 65 rupees. Rohan, you are the closest, and you get 10 points for this
Oh
round.
yeah! More importantly, can I have the onions?
Yes sir, please, please.
They are
बहुत ही
most
सही जवाब.
expensive vegetables.
बहुत ही सही जवाब.
That's hilarious.
अगला प्रोडक्ट है ये जूता, नाइकी डंक लो वुमेन्स शू, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वेरिएंट. एंड गाइस यू हैव टू राइट द प्राइस एट व्हिच नाइकी वांट्स टू सेल,
Correct. Correct.
not all the resellers. Nike dunk low women's shoe.
Oh, I got
Yes.
7,000?
Ashish, your answer is 7,000.
5999.
5999.
That's how they write it.
Okay.
Like 5999.
The price of this shoe is 8295.
Oh,
So random.
wow.
8295.
8295.
Okay, Ashish, you're right. You get 10 points. Are you guys into sneakers?
No, I'm a man of the people. You see, I know what onion prices are. I've always said I'm a son of the soil type person. You know, when you think son of the soil, you think me.
Down to earth.
That's what I
Yes,
always
sir.
say. Yes.
Got it.
Yes.
What about you?
Yeah, I kind of like sneakers. I'm not what you would call a sneakerhead. I don't do that StockX and investing in sneakers and all.
पर इसके पास बहुत cool sneakers हैं.
हाँ.
मैंने देखे 2-3 बहुत cool हैं.
सुंदर लगा तो मैं खरीदेगा, लेकिन ऐसा पागलों की तरह नहीं खरीदेगा.
Perfect. अगला प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है? Because you said you are a son of the soil.
Well, there's
You
no
are
way that's gonna come back.
You
and
are
bite
a
me
down
in the
to
ass.
earth person. तो आप हो आमची, मुंबई के आमची इंसान, right?
अच्छा, yes.
ठीक है,
yes,
आपके लिए ये प्रोडक्ट.
yes. So आमची इंसान that I'm going to ignore the fact that you completely ruined Marathi over there.
I'm really
Even I
sorry.
know that. आमची इंसान आहे आपण.
बेचारा फाइनेंस के चक्कर में पिट जाएगा.
ये प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस बताओ. 1 लीटर फॉर्च्यून कच्ची घानी प्योर मस्टर्ड ऑयल.
Right.
1 लीटर.
250 rupees.
250 rupees. Ashish, what's your guess?
180.
180. One of you is exactly correct. मतलब 1 रुपए का भी डिफरेंस नहीं है.
Who is it?
ठीक है, wait. Let's play a small game. Let's play a small game. You guys can bid कि किसका एकदम एक्यूरेट है.
मेरे को I don't want to play on petty games.
ओके, और 2 पॉइंट आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाएंगे. बताओ.
I guess against myself and I'm right.
You still get 2 points.
Okay.
ऐसे जुआ मत खेला शी.
You know I like. You know I like. No, I'm still going to say I'm right for ego.
I'm going to say I'm right for ego.
Okay. Okay. Ashish, you are right. You get 12 points. MRP of this product is 180.00.
That's crazy.
That is
And I
amazing.
started like 120 and I'm like, that's
That's
too
too
low.
low. That's too
Amazing.
low.
Do you cook?
No, not right.
If you said you cooked, I would have given you this. You totally deserve this 1 liter
No,
fortune.
but I
Kacchi
came here
Ghani.
for sand, not for
Like,
tail.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes. At the end of the show, if you win the quiz, you will get the red sand.
Nice. How to avoid copyright infringement?
The red sand.
Red sand.
Agla product.
Ah.
This is a sunscreen. Yeah, this is a Japanese sunscreen. Beauty of Jozon Matte Sun Stick 18 gram. Beauty of Jozon Sunstick 18 ग्राम. Wow.
I got one answer.
Guess.
I think it's $2,000.
2000.
$1,700.
1700. Perfect. The price of this product is 1370. 1370 rupees. Rohan, you were closer, so you
Yes.
get full points for this guess. But guys, do you use sunscreen?
I do use sunscreen, and I have one of these sticks also, but not this brand. There's another Korean brand called Thank You Farmer, which makes it exactly like this.
Okay. And is that why you were able to guess the
Like
price?
yes, vaguely. I was just struggling to like कितना दिया था मैंने? Like one याद था बस.
But does it work? Are Korean sunscreens and Korean?
Yeah, so this is actually better for like reapplication over the course of the day. Like in the sense, you should be using normal sunscreen, like this
Do
thing.
you
But if
use-
you're out and about and you need to reapply, then that's when you use one of these sticks.
Do you use sunscreen?
You should.
Something I
Sunscreen,
learned
very good.
Something I learned very late.
Yes,
in life.
sunscreen must use. Please, everyone use sunscreen. Sun is not your so much friend also.
So अगला product है guys.
जी हाँ.
AirPods. Second generation AirPods Pro.
Oh.
Apple.
AirPods का कितना है यार अभी?
Let's look at your prices. Rohan, you have written 29,000.
Yes.
And Ashish, you have
18.
written 18,000 rupees. Okay. The maximum retail price of this product as of now in India is 24,900. Almost 25,000 rupees. Rohan, you get 10 points again. You killed it in this round. And that brings us to the end of this particular round.
R in
round.
MRP stands for Rohan.
Exactly. That was the second last round of this quiz.
Okay.
ठीक है, इसके बाद सिर्फ एक ही राउंड बचा और उस राउंड के बाद पता चल जाएगा कि आप दोनों में से कौन लाल सांड अपने घर लेके जाएगा. ठीक है, आई विल नॉट बी डिस्क्लोजिंग द स्कोर्स एट दिस पॉइंट. अब
But why?
सीधा फाइनल में
Okay.
बदलेगा
Okay.
फॉर रिटेंशन.
Okay. Oh.
ठीक है?
Oh.
रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू कि ये जेडबल ही नहीं है, इसमें नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स नहीं है.
Correct.
इस बार है, अब है.
Plot
ठीक है,
twist.
ये राउंड है दिस और दैट. ठीक है, घंटी राउंड है. मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, ठीक है, और हर क्वेश्चन के दो ऑप्शंस है, दिस और दैट. आपको चूज करना है. अगर आपको आंसर पता है, आपको घंटी बजानी है. इफ यू आर एबल टू आंसर राइट, यू गेट 10 पॉइंट्स.
Okay.
इफ योर आंसर इज नॉट करेक्ट, नेगेटिव 5 पॉइंट्स.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है, बहुत ही सिंपल है. इस राउंड में 5 क्वेश्चंस और इन 5 क्वेश्चंस के बाद we'll have the winner of this episode. चलो, let's start. दोनों की घंटी हाथ में, ठीक है. पहला क्वेश्चन, which of these companies sold more cars in India in the last financial year? Mercedes or Jaguar Land Rover? Rohan,
JLR.
why do you say so?
Because they have been adding way more cars in their range, and I think they've been doing a bunch of cheaper cars also. I could be wrong, but I think so.
Okay. Any other reason?
I mean, they are owned by Tata also, and like Tata JLR is like one company also. So yes, that is my guess.
Mercedes-Benz is the biggest luxury car maker in India.
Okay.
And last year they sold 17,400 units.
Okay.
While Jaguar Land Rover sold 4,436
How sad.
units. -5 for you. Mercedes-Benz is the biggest luxury automaker in India. 17,000 units. And that is the best year for Mercedes-Benz
Oh,
ever
wow.
in India.
Wow. There was that stat. Remember, I think one of the highest density of Mercedes was in
Ludhiana or Nagpur?
No, Kolhapur or that Baramati area, where
हाँ,
the
हाँ,
sugarcane
हाँ,
farming
हाँ.
belt. That used to be. I don't know if it's true now, but like most Mercs per capita उस belt में था पहले, because there was a lot of money there from the farming and industries and all that.
Like I am from Ahmedabad, and back in 2008-2009, Tata brought their nano plant in near Ahmedabad. Okay, and because they wanted to put up a big plant, they bought a lot of land from farmers.
Oh.
So suddenly मेरे एरिया के पास बहुत सारे farmers
Always.
Audi चला रहे.
Always.
ठीक है? So yeah, farm money, guys. Farm
Farm money.
money. Real money is in farm money. Let's move on to the next question. Which of these business groups owns a majority stake in the luxury bridal brand Sabyasachi? Aditya Birla Fashion or Reliance Retail?
Reliance Retail.
Why do you say so?
Because I think I read something about Reliance Retail taking a stake.
Is it also because Anand got married recently?
I mean, also that it's the cheapest way for them to get so many outfits.
Exactly.
It's
Right?
not-
Brand ही खरीद लो.
ब्रांड ही खरीद लेते
Brand
हैं,
ही
सबसे
खरीद लो.
आसान हो जाएगा.
But Reliance Retail does not own a majority stake in Sabyasachi. Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail has acquired a majority stake in Sabyasachi back in 2021. Not just Sabyasachi, Masaba, Tarun Tehlani, and a lot of other designer brands का एक portfolio बना रही है ABFRL.
Okay.
Amazing.
अगला सवाल. Which of these IT companies started as an edible oil firm? आशीष, क्वेश्चन आधा खत्म होते ही you rang the घंटी. बताओ, Wipro या Mindtree?
Wipro.
Why do you say so? Have you read up about
Yeah,
it?
ये पता है मेरे को. I'm forgetting the full form, but Wipro.
The full form is Western India Palm Refined Oils Limited.
Aha.
That was how the company was founded in 1945 as a manufacturer of vegetable and refined oils. In 1966, Azim Premji had to take over the company at a young age of 21 after his father had passed away. I'm sorry. And finally, in 1980, Wipro ventured into an IT company. Really sorry.
You should speak at funerals more.
Yeah. What nepo baby Azim Premji.
Can you imagine like other oil farmers who are like, जहाँ पे आपकी struggle खत्म शुरू होती है वहाँ पे मेरा सपना खत्म होता है.
Amazing to me that Narayan Murthy is the Siddhant Chaturvedi of this equation.
Kali Prem. I don't think his father is also invited to coffee with Karan. So
Fair. Sad.
Sorry to Premji and the entire family. Moving on to the next question. Which of these instruments have a higher lock-in period? Public Provident Fund, or is it equity linked saving scheme mutual funds? ELSS mutual funds या फिर PPF? किस इंस्ट्रूमेंट का बड़ा लॉकिंग पीरियड होता है, लंबा लॉकिंग पीरियड होता है?
Screw it.
रोहन.
Is it the PPF?
That is correct.
What?
ELSS mutual funds
crazy.
has a 3-year lock-in period, while PPF has a 15-year lock-in period.
Close
You
enough.
get 10 points for this.
Chalo, wiped out the debt that I only accrued at the start of this round.
Yes, you made up for the loss. You made up for the
Fair
loss.
enough, fair
ठीक है?
enough.
And now we are towards the last question of this round and the game. बहुत ही simple, बहुत ही ज़्यादा viral भयानी type question है ये. ठीक है? Question है, which of these celebrity couples has a higher net worth? आशीष जी बहुत बड़े viral भयानी के consumer लग रहे हैं. Question खत्म होने से पहले ही आपने घंटी बजा दी. आशीष, please take a guess.
I think it's Sonam Anand.
Why do you think?
Because I think Anand Ahuja comes from like a big industrial family. I'm forgetting the brand, but I know that they have a lot of industry.
What would you have guessed?
He's probably right because the question has that little counterintuitive wala feeling to
But
it.
I think like he's got industrial stuff. He's got manufacturing and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Like Virat's got cricket money and endorsements and all
Endorsements
of
and
that,
like-
but they're not
yeah.
like necessary. I don't know what his investments are in terms of this thing. So yeah,
So you also would have guessed Sonam Anand.
I think so. Yeah.
Virat Anushka have a lower net worth than Sonam and Anand. ठीक है? जब मैंने ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ा था मेरे दिमाग में भी ऑफ कोर्स आंसर विराट कोहली था कि विराट भाई के आगे कोई कुछ बोल सकता है क्या?
No,
विराट
Virat
भाई.
bhai.
But no, Sonam and Anand have a higher net worth than Virat and Anushka.
With respect, I think only Anand. Sorry, with respect, I must say.
Sonam को क्यों तोड़ा? Sonam को क्यों तोड़ा? Sonam and Anand have a reported net worth of close to 4,000 crores, and Virat and Anushka have 1,000 plus crores.
Cool.
So that's a very big margin. So you get 10 points for this question, and now we are towards the end of the quiz. Batao guys, this was a very big moment for us. This was like an AIB reunion. AIB reunion, right? Do you guys meet, or are you guys also meeting after the last video that you did?
No, we
We met 24 hours ago.
कल परसों मिले थे यार.
24 घंटे पहले.
अभी तो मिले थे.
But thank you so much guys for doing this. Thank you so much. बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया. And thank you so much for all the videos that you guys have done. Right? Every time I open an old AIB video, एक ही comment आता है. AIB was way ahead of its time. And that is correct.
वो मैं ही लिख रहा हूँ वो
Yeah,
comment.
yeah, वो हाँ. और नहीं वो सब ठीक है पर मेरा प्याज दे. वो मेरा 1 किलो प्याज सबसे वैल्यूएबल चीज. इन्वेस्ट इन प्याज गाइस. मोस्ट दिस इज नॉन शिट कॉइन. ये पक्का ऊपर ही जाता है.
But अभी guess कर सकते हो कौन जीता है?
ये.
I don't know कितना है.
Yes,
You had gone ahead in the round before.
Yeah, but then I lost
You
5,
lost 10,
made
but you
10.
gained 10.
Yeah,
I think I may be ahead by
I think
5 or 10.
2
I'm not
घंटीज.
sure.
I think you're
Yeah,
2 घंटीज
like
ahead.
something like that.
Firstly guys, दोनों का triple digit में score है. ठीक है? दोनों. And that's amazing.
That's
team
not happened
दोनों का.
before.
It has happened.
Basically, it's more Virat Anushka than Sonam Mani.
Definitely.
Yes, you guys were close. And Rohan, your score is 105. Respectable score. Amazing score. You did really well. Any thoughts?
Enjoyed taking some onion home.
कांदा मिला, content मिला.
Exactly.
मस्त है, बहुत ही सही.
बढ़िया.
And Ashish, your score was 127. 127. And you are the winner of this episode of What the Buck.